Hey, hello guys. So you can see these are the belt conveyors, spare parts that is after the final painting. Because our last video we showed you that we did a primers on the brackets, and this was how the brackets will be delivered after it's be finally painted or coated. There are two types. So it can be either powder coated or it can be painted. It depends on the requirement of the owner. And then when we ship it, we'll put it, we'll wrap it around with the steel cord, and also we will put the films on the outside. And sometimes, if owner requests, we can also consider putting a wooden box on the outside of it during shipping. And then let's take a look at the belt conveyor. No, sorry, the bucket elevator. You can see this one, the height is 9 meters, and then you can see this is the pulley, and then it is the transmission part of the pulley. Pulley is inside, and then this is the header section. So if you take a look, that we also put the signs in here that says where it is supposed to be lifted, and then in terms of structure, we can take a look inside of this hole to see the pulley. So this one is we're using a one-piece integral pulley. So if you can see it, this is what we talk about. This is what we call a one integral part of pulley. So we also have the options available of making it like a full segment pieces, so that you can replace it during maintenance. But this is how it looks like after the carbon steel, the bucket elevators that's being painted. Also, we have an inspection doors in here, so we can put this part in here and then use this to seal it. So this is the header sections of our bucket elevator. Thank you.